In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can activate Verizon eSIM on your Android. So first of all, make sure to purchase your eSIM plan from Verizon, and you will going to receive a QR code onto your email address or within the application. Once you have received the QR code, you can now head over to your device settings, and then you need to simply look for the option of mobile network. Now once you are in, simply click on the eSIM. If you haven't enabled your eSIM, make sure to enable and then tap on this add eSIM. Make sure to click on next on the bottom right, and now you just need to simply scan the QR code that you have received from Verizon. After that, make sure to click on download on the bottom right, and it might take few minutes to activate your eSIM. Once you have activated your eSIM, you can now head over to your device settings again, and then simply go for mobile networks and look for the eSIM. Make sure to click on it, and you will going to see Verizon eSIM right on this place. So click on the three dots and then click on enable. Now you can use your Verizon eSIM onto your Android device. So that's the way of how you can activate Verizon eSIM on Android.